for sure this is the heating element, I guess. That's what it's called. Let's get this little pipe out here. There you go. Some other stuff holding it in here. Not sure why. It's probably cables and whatnot. Nothing important there. It's probably this thing right here that's holding it. Top off. There you go. Maybe some more screws. Some more screws. Found some other stuff here. Let's see what's in here. Probably hidden screws. At least that's what it looks like. These little caps here. Difficult to take out for some reason. Another screw here. Got a vent thing, garbage. Let's see here. There you go. Oh, that tough little cap to take out. So that's why sometimes you have to break this stuff to get access. Doesn't really matter if you break this stuff because it's garbage anyway.